Hello, Katie teacher.
Hello, Mike teacher.
Look at all that paper.
We're making ninja stars.
Wow, square paper.
Square paper.
Fold, fold, fold.
Now it's a rectangle.
Fold one more time.
It's super long.
Fold the corner like this.
Wow! It's a triangle.
And fold the other corner like this.
Don't fold all the way. Leave a little gap.
Teeny tiny gap.
Fold to make a big triangle.
Wow, 2 triangles.
1, 2.
Now we need to do the same again.
With a new color, fold, fold, fold.
Rectangles.
Little triangles.
And big triangles.
Can we say together?
Together.
Good.
We need to put them together.
We need to tuck and fold.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Fold, fold, fold.
Wow, look, a ninja star. So cool.
Look out!
Ah, you hit me. Ah, Katie teacher. Ah.
See you next time. Bye,
Bye.